Cross my part and swam too, you know. Just put on a skirt.
No man no pass your part, man. That right, I'm gonna have a big 10-inch for you.
Subscribe to Gaspipevlogs like we did.
Dog, you're never too old to enjoy yourself. Dog, most we take for granted. They look life for what I've done. As me rising in the morning, but thank God for another day. Now watch all who want criticize. Now make nobody come and break my vibe. We all go party all night. Living with life cause we alright. My brain about to take a flight. Make we live with life. Turn it up, Lord.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Let's keep some horrible here again. Another excited vlog. I heard my boss yesterday. I was driving to Clarendon. I heard my boss making some noise. I checked it out this morning. The mechanic saying some bearings. So I'm at Fidelity trying to get the bearings. This is what it look like. Sound of a plastic. Anyway, this is a wear wheel bearings. Some of them. They're making some disgusting noise. I also have to buy some locks for them. I'm not sure if these are the locks, but I'll take it to the mechanic and see what happens. Alright, so I leave in. But then it's now heading to the mechanic. So we have all these new Nissan cars and servicing areas and all these things. So we are now on downtown. Nissan over there. So this is the bus. So we're wheel making a lot of noise. My lovely Gaspipevlogs, you know? Alright? Okay. So let's go to the mechanic. I want you guys to hear the sound that it's making, but I want to find a way to attach the camera to the back wheel and the panel of the van. I'm going to see if that can happen. So peeps, here you go. I attach the camera to the side of the bus. I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to drive up the road. I'm going to drive up the road for a while and see if you could hear the sound that these tires make. It's very, very annoying inside. So let's see. I hope the camera don't fall off. So now, as you can see, I'm downtown Jamaica building. Here Jamaica building right there. So I'm heading up to my mechanic. That's Bank of Jamaica. Port Royal Street, downtown Kingston, Jamaica. for all the people who persons who love KFC. This is a KFC downtown on Port Royal Street, Walking Street. Yeah, you can come and get your favorite 2-piece, 3-piece. You can hear the noise from inside. Then you can run it back. You can hear that rumbling sound. It's from the wheel. So you have major stoplight here that a lot of accident always happens, so you have to definitely wait your turn. Okay peeps, this is where Sean works. Gas them. So gas pipe. So this is actually petrol jam. So I don't know if he's at work now, but I'm passing, so this is his entrance. So that's where he works. And I'm fixing my car next door. So I'm about to show you what's going on in Village Farm. This guy make him own a clothes. That one give my interview. You make your own clothes, right?
Yeah.
Where you used to make your clothes?
Huh?
What you used to make those clothes?
Bag.
Bag?
Yeah.
I notice you're always in these kind of clothes.
Yeah, me have plastic surgery, you know?
Oh, you do it's plastic.
Plastic surgery. One on my chest and one on my belly. So I wear them clothes. I don't wear people clothes. You know,
Oh, you don't wear, so you make your own stuff.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, man. I'm not tailoring for real, you know. When I'm telling you, I can't do tailoring.
Okay.
I joke to her, cooking. You go in your yard and you take away everything. Now one machine and thing with us dead.
Oh, so you sew them by yourself?
Yeah, man. Sew them on.
Peeps, this guy is in Greenwich Farm. He's always wearing his own made clothes. So you have a pocket and
A
something?
machine, yeah.
Yeah.
Pocket, you use
Back pocket and thing.
Nigger and thread.
Okay.
Sewing. That's stitching.
So what the band name?
Carl.
Carl.
I call him Diver Seaside.
Oh, so okay.
Diver.
So you're also a fisherman?
Yeah.
Alright, my boss.
Yeah, man. Alright, take care.
Alright, big up.
A Superman, superpower. They wrap me up, you know?
Okay.
They wrap me up. I love me Al Capone and them style. Movie star.
Acho.
You know?
Alright. Yeah, man. Man have only one kerchief.
Yeah, man.
So the kerchief that?
Yeah, man.
Let me see the hat.
Yeah, see that?
Take it down. Oh, hat. Make him one hat and him kerchief and thing. And him bag. Let me see your bag, your knapsack. Oh, yeah, say.
A big star.
A big star.
Bird,
Respect.
Commander Hardy Murphy. And Rambo. You know, it's not security, real security.
Alright,
I
boss.
got to them rob me up, you know.
Take care,
You
sir.
want to be somebody in the world and want to carry enough people. Cocaine, you know.
Alright, my
A
boss.
cocaine every about that for a long time, you know. Church and everything.
Don't worry yourself.
It's mad now.
Alright, that's a little bit too much information for me. Anyway, peeps, he make him own clothes always. He just go in the water and just come up back and him dry same time. Water just drain out. Smart, don't it? Yeah, him say no way people closer. Man, me call him one kerchief. So you know the thing go. Alright, right now I pull up at the mechanic. This is Germany as I know him as. So let's see. Look at bad mechanic there, man. One thing. See what going on now, peeps. So stay tuned as we pull up in the mechanic shop.
What are you doing, you know? Oh, we got a machine shop because we're dry now. Oh yeah, the steering, yeah? You didn't make sense the steering here.
So come with you?
Come with me.
Yeah.
You can't come with me.
Mechanic say me can't come with you.
One time we don't look at them, okay, so we take them over.
Yeah.
We carry them to a machine shop and we left them.
So
And when they change the bearing, they didn't come back and come back.
but I want to see the work we are do. Watch me now.
Yeah, man.
So you can go out, you pull it out and me do it, me do this thing.
Alright,
So right now mechanic going to pull off the wheel and I'm going to show you how we do it and how hard it is, and I would like to be here with him actually reinstalling the stuff. And that we got the machine shop, but I guess everything will work out here. So stay with us. What he just did actually slap the lugs before I'm actually lift up off the ground so the wheel don't turn while I'm pulling the lugs for all those who don't know. So let's watch him. And this is Greenwich Farm. What's the name of your mechanic shop again, Germany? What's the name of your shop again?
New generation auto.
Yeah, new generation auto.
Yeah.
So, him do a lot of removing an engine and all these things. So, young youth. These are called
Let down the handbrake.
This one I like a young mechanic. You see him young? Look at him. That's why I name New Generation. Some small mechanic. Them good here. Look what him doing. They just shock it so it just come out easy. Can't get the bearings. And you get that one that gone.
Let's change this for them.
This one don't really have that much sound, but it's insane. If you're changing one, change both. This have it too much. Much louder. It's very annoying inside. It's like a song. So, let's watch and see how and pull it out. Hold on. Tell the people them how old are you? 14 years old. And look what he's doing. Still go to school, right? What school you go to? Tivoli Garden. So he's from Tivoli Garden. This is one of the young generation mechanic coming up shortly. And he's actually working at 14 years old. You mind tell us your name on camera? You mind tell us your name?
O'Shane Lawrence.
O'Shane Lawrence?
Yeah.
O'Shane Lawrence. Future mechanic. People look out for him. He'll be one of the best shortly. You went to Tivoli, and after I know sure that he's probably going to one of the German school shortly. So people look out for O'Shane. So the whole team out now. Blocks, New generation. You see them young? See them there? Boss Nevia. You get yourself from my youth? Yeah. There. Alright, so you are working today? Oh, why? What happened? Boss, that's why you game trouble, man. So you thought it was going to family, Bridget?
Boss, alright, man. Different thing, different right there.
Oh, they're on different things.
Boss, alright.
Alright. You know, I'm never, but sometimes I have to take a stand when I work with family because you know family thing go with work. You know, them feel like them can do anything they want to do when you talk to them, so sometimes I have to just scold them a little. Yeah, so I guess that's what happened. One more day. So them young, pure young youth, and then I tell them skill. New generation. Pure young mechanic, you know. Please remember to like and share and subscribe and give me some information. Make some comments. What you think about the young mechanic here? They are the future. Yeah. If the shark is about to remove from the van. That is what attached to the diff.
It's the power come through.
And then spin the wheel. Pips were off to the mechanic, not the mechanic there, machine shop to remove the bearings from these shafts here. So, stay tuned. Pips, right now I actually have to sit and wait. I don't know how long, but what the mechanic is saying that he's gonna have to take it to the machine shop, drop it off, have them fix it, and then go back to pick it up and then reinstall. So we're looking at probably I don't know.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Alright peeps, they are the sun hot as you can see, and the guy just gone with the thing for the van. Hold on there. The guy has said something. What you say, General?
No, I say you can't catch Brooksy on the camera because I'm not the teeth.
You know the teeth?
Oh, yeah.
How about going with the teeth them?
Like how we can talk to the camera and
Yeah,
smile.
and smile.
Brooksy can't.
Brooksy, come in.
Come give us
Are for real?
Give the viewers a smile.
Come Brooksy, man. Teeth not enough to do it, Bridget. John was star. Man face. When I watch this, Brooksy, because man face I can watch it now. It's not gonna hide. Anyway, I'm going to get a drink upstairs. So when I say so, we can see what's going upstairs now. I have a little bar or so. Can't really drink still because I'm on medication. So, it's a lovely lady. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's up?
No.
What you have, Celine?
Well, this is a bar. Welcome to Greenwich Town, Babisha Sports Bar.
I like.
Well,
She and her friend.
my cousin.
Yeah. They know me a vlog them, so they're nice because they know me a vlog them. Yeah. Alright, give me a Lucas here.
Lucas here?
Yeah. So this is what, Greenwich Town is there, right?
Yeah, Greenwich Town.
So what I say Greenwich Farm?
But we went to be a normal Greenwich Farm.
Okay, so it's really Greenwich Town. Alright, people see that? Greenwich Town, the new generation auto. See them here. Oh, they have some of them have to wash my hand. I'm take me and clean. Alright, so hand sanitizer and then soap. So you know we have to keep COVID free. Now the thing that's in a mask. She have my mask, alright. So. And point. Alright, like how we did it, I have put on your mask.
No problem.
Alright, the bartender have on her mask now. So we're free to put her up on video. Alright, and then already subscribe, right? The subscribe, right?
Yeah.
So you can watch yourself later.
Yeah.
Alright. So you see it?
Yeah,
Lucas see it. We also want the water because want the water. I'm going to for your drink too, so aye. Please to keep the drink on the lower shelf. Yeah, lower shelf drinks here. We can't want the top shelf. No. Lower shelf. Like way down, like water. Like way down. Yeah, way down. What do I bottom of my fridge? Way down. Yeah. I like. Pay to see it. If you can afford, no half. Alright. So we have a drink now and wait on the mechanic. So stay tuned. And this is Babisha Sports Bar, Greenwich Town. People that pass Greenwich Farm and you need a cool drink, just come to new generation auto upstairs and you can get a drink at Babisha Sports Bar. So peeps, guess what? Look who is here. When I tell you, man.
Star boy. Yeah, man. Name and nature people.
Rich.
Yes, man. I have to be here, man.
They lock Petro Jam and come over here, you know. They go show them where Petro Jam there, you know. Yeah, man. Go out them.
Yeah, man. That's my
Gaspipevlogs broke down, so. He showed me, make him find me, you see me, so. Big man is here, you know.
One for all for one.
Yeah. Live, love, laugh.
Live, love, laugh.
Yeah. The peeps still waiting on the shaft. Still not reach it. Waiting like from forever. I know the heat still a shower down, as we showed before. Time hot. So you have something to say to the people then? Oh, you're good. Get your half guard.
Yeah.
I say it go.
That's a problem, man. It's not a problem. All we know is that Gaspipevlogs go down. He was here by himself, understand? And came to provide some assistance. If I even company.
Yeah. Me hungry still, I want like a food.
Yes.
You know, we don't really have enough food, you know. So we have to drink 2 water.
Yeah.
Our food that they have we don't really want still, but we don't know. We're there. Alright, peeps. The shaft is back, man. We're going to catch the first one going in.
Yeah, link your reason.
Linky?
Yeah, man. Oh, you see the new carrier? Back then, you know. You can take out the SRS complete out of the car. And like you can program it to take off the airbag light.
Yeah.
They have a 2020 Civic up there. And they must take out they must unplug the computer to the SRS. And you see the vehicle can't start. And the video kind of show me nice. The vehicle can't start from the plug it off and plug it on back. They have to go in on all data website. And the vehicle, computer, the SRS, I tell the computer, say the vehicle turn over and it can't start. So right there, you have to know your plug or something off our car. And you see them under them, like 2020. Them come with the technology now, like BMW. They have to register the battery to the car. So if you disconnect the battery to the car, it won't start either. And it's going to say somebody try to thief the car and the battery. Yeah. When the man show me the video, the computer tell the car say it turn over. And it can't start because you don't plug out the computer for the SRS. You say you're so under boy. Jesus Christ. Yo.
Brooks, it there again, man. Face, see me.
Jesus Christ. Yo.
There again.
Boy, you know.
Come in, Brooks.
Vexed man face. Vexed man face. Vexed man face.
No, we're not put it front of camera.
Oh yeah, that's the one that I So, cause
say that for good man.
Well, I talk about bag juice.
that big bag juice, man. And them foolish they get back with. That not charge show.
So
Ask them
when you
when
hand
they
with the mash up for there, have you seen? Come on to what?
And come
Like
back.
not never go on. Now so we come here man and red like the light. People got a phone. Look at the king. Peeps, that is it for today. I hope you enjoy the vlog and thanks for watching. Peace out.